Peppa Pig, Daddy Pig's office. Today, as a special treat, Peppa and George are visiting Daddy Pig's office. Teddy, Grunt, what do you do at your office all day? Asks Peppa. Lots of fun things, replies Daddy Pig. We are here, he tells the children as they arrive at a very tall building. We have to go up in the lift, Daddy Pig tells the children. Can I press the button? Snort, asks Peppa excitedly. I think it's George's turn, replies Daddy Pig, picking up George. Press the top button, please, George. The lift takes them to the top floor. Hello, everyone, grunts Daddy Pig. Hello, says Mr. Rabbit and Mrs. Cat. They work with Daddy Pig. I have two special visitors with me today, Peppa and George, says Daddy Pig. Grunt, he. Let's begin the tour of the office, suggests Daddy Pig. My job is all about numbers and stamps, says Mr. Rabbit. Wow, gasp the children. Peppa likes stamping paper. Ho ho. On with the tour. Next is Mrs. Cat's desk, exclaims Daddy Pig. Hello, Peppa and George, says Mrs. Cat. My job is all about drawing shapes on a computer. Can I try? Asks Peppa. It's George's turn, says Daddy Pig. It's your turn to work, George, says Peppa. Snort, agrees Peppa. Mrs. Cat helped George make lots and lots of blue triangles. Now we print the triangles out, Peppa cries. He, the printer spits paper out everywhere. Do you want to see my desk? Peppa Pig asks. Yes, please, Grunt, says Peppa. Daddy Pig's job is very important. Do you use stamps on a computer? Asks Peppa. No, replies Daddy Pig. I used color pens. Peppa and George loves coloring pens a lot. My goodness, 5 o'clock already, says Daddy Pig. It's time to go home. You've been doing my job very well, snorts Daddy Pig. I like doing Mr. Rabbit's job, says Peppa.